One option is there are two options to configure the shell libraries in your Jenkins. First option we already configured. Second option we already created the job. So let's click on the build now and see how it is going to be run. We can see the same output in the blue version, or we can see in the normal screen as well. Let me open the default console. If you see something is happening, from here I will open the blue version. So since the job is running, it is not showing any stages as of now. As a first time build scripting and change below. You see here the three stages has been run. So we know this maven-var repository which we are using sometime back onwards. Let me click on the deploy, code and build. These three stages are successful. In the deploy, I used Windows batch script to upload the developed var file to the Tomcat local Tomcat which I am running. Let me click on the list applications and see what is happening here. You can see this Tomcat is able to load the var file which we have uploaded using the shared library pipeline. So the shared library pipeline which I have developed in this pipeline.group section, the same thing can be used across any kind of Maven and Java application. So I will search for a Maven, GitHub Maven var example. So the same GitHub Maven example, I will be able to use using the code which I have developed. You can also do this thing. For example, if you see this var web project is also GitHub project which I have not developed, but still it is having Combat XML and SRC. So looks like this is Java code. What I do, I will fork this repository. That means this will come to me. So once you fork, the entire code will come to in your GitHub account. In that, I will add a small Jenkins file. So I will take the reference from the previous Jenkins file. You can as it is copy like this and paste it here and name it as Jenkins file properly. J should be capital. See shared library. We are using the existing shared library code. Okay, and I wanted to give the repo name as this one. So I will put var-web-project as the repository name. And the deployment name I wanted to give. Since I don't know the deployment name exactly, I will simply give some star.var, but that will not work. But for now, you will give this thing. The build will fail for the first time, and later on time onwards, you can give the proper name. Now I will take this code repository and configure into my Jenkins. As I told you, even though if I build this job for the first time, it might fail. I will click on new item and you can name whatever the name you want. What is the name? var-web-project is the name. You can give as it is like this. Click on pipeline and click on OK and get the URL from this GitHub and go to the pipeline section and in the drop down select pipeline from SCM. In the drop down you select Git and paste this URL and Jenkins file script for this fine. So you can click on save. Now you can click on the build now. Now you observe I have not developed any code specially for this var web project. I simply cloned what I meant to say. I simply forked this repository from other GitHub repository person and I'm building this code using my existing shared library. In the similar way, any kind of Java based var project, you can utilize my shared library developer code. Yeah, let me see where it is running, what it is doing. So it is initially cloning the var-web-project repository. Let's give it for a couple of seconds of time. If you see here, WS hyphen cleanup, that means any pre-workspace it is deleting and it is starting a fresh one. Now the clean workspace stage is completed and it is doing Maven build stage. So since it is a var type of section, it is showing var. So it is downloading some of the dependencies from repo.maven.apache.org. I think it will take a couple of seconds. As I told you, the first time this project might fail because the deployment name I have not given correctly. That is why it is unable to open the WAR file in this location. So if I correct that WAR file name, it will be able to upload. So till the build section it is properly done. I wanted to know the WAR file name. I can see this is the WAR file name they have given. So I will give the same name as my deployment name in the Jenkins file so that next time the Jenkins job will run successfully. So I will open the Jenkins file in this newly forked var-web-project repository. I think it is taking some time. Yeah, let me click on edit. And now I came to know what is the proper wall file name it is going to create. So I have given that name. Now updated deploy the name commit change. So this time I'm sure most 99% the job will get successful. Let me click on build now. See, there are a couple of stages we can see, and deploy stage is only failed. This is the beauty of the pipeline as code. We can see stage by stage which stage is getting passed, which stage is not passing. Now the same build is happening. Let's give it for a couple of seconds. Meanwhile, if you wanted to see the progress of this thing in the blue version, you can even click on the open blue version. As I told you, blue version is just a user interface, different way of viewing. So in the previous first build, this blue version job is showing not successful. Second one is currently running. If you see here on the screen, the stages are getting successful, just like how previous year. The deploy stage is got failed. Let me see what is the reason. You see in this previous build, for some reason, it didn't take the latest name which we have given. The name which we have given is www.wip100.var. That name it didn't take. Let's see this time. Yeah, if you see this third build, it got successful result, and it uploaded the deploy name which you have given www-100. So as you remember, this repository was not created by us. We simply forked the repository from a different GitHub repository and we placed it into our GitHub account and we did the build, and this job is successful and we have deployed into Tomcat. Let me see what is the WWP is having. So this WWP 100 loading something is not still not loaded fully, but yeah, some of the URLs it is showing. We have not built this application, but whatever the developer has built, we are able to see in this location. So in this way, any kind of Maven hyphen project, any kind of Java type project, if you can see in the GitHub, you can use our share library pipeline and you can implement DevOps flow, code, build, and deploy concept. So this is about share library pipelines. If you have any doubts, you can ask me now.